doesn't love bacon? That crispy, juicy, and salty taste that lingers in our mouth. But at the back of our minds, there's this feeling of guilt. Because as we all know, eating too much bacon is really bad for our health. Because it's fatty, it contains high cholesterol, and high in calories. So for this episode of Let's Try Everything, we will try to cook this juicy, tasty, and succulent bacon using our air fryer. Let's find out if using our air fryer will still give us that crispy, juicy, and salty taste from our bacon that we always love. So let's go, guys. Let's find out. But before anything else, I'm Luis, your dimpled engineer, and this is my YouTube channel. It's recommended to preheat your air fryer for 2 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Make sure that your bacon is completely thawed and not frozen. Always remember to wash your hands properly before handling any food. Lay the bacon properly inside the air fryer. Set the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit and set the time to 10 minutes. After 4 minutes, let's check the bacon. And after 10 minutes, our bacon is already cooked and ready to be served. Yum! Okay guys, let's find out if the Philips air fryer made our favorite bacon crispy and juicy. Let's find out.
crispy and tasty.
And the best part in cooking bacon with air fryer is that it removes so much fat from the pork that it somehow lessens your guilt every time you eat bacon. And guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell.